Hello everyone, it is Stephanie here and welcome to my channel. So I am at home, it's the weekend, we're supposed to be getting some really nasty freezing rain and snow over the weekend, so the weather's not going to be very good. But I have neglected my hair, so I've been having my mom color my hair for over 10 years. And why do I do that? Well, I do it because I can't afford to go to the salon and have them do it on a regular basis. That's going to cost me about $160. And of course, I have mature hair with lots of gray, so I've got a lot of gray growth, and it would just require me to go get my hair done so frequently at the hair salon. For me, I'm a social worker, I'm single, I own a home. You know, I have a modest income, and it just, I can't afford it. So that's what I've been doing. It's worked for me. Disclaimer here, I'm not a hairdresser. I'm just telling you what I do to save money. You get to decide what you're gonna do, but I'm just sharing with you. So this is typically what I use on my hair. So this is L'Oreal. This is Age Perfect by Excellence, and so this is specially developed for mature gray hair. It works for me. I've had no issues with it. I don't typically do my own, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. I'm gonna go for it and try to do it. The directions are very simple. The gloves are in there. I'm not going to go through and show you what I'm doing, but what I will do is I'm going to show you my growth. And then when I'm all done and, my hair is all done, then I will show you what it looks like. So, but let's just take a look so I can show you how bad my hair is. Really, I've just let it go way too long. And as you can see, I've got a ton of gray. I've got a lot of gray right around here, this area. Not so much way in the back, but it kind of the crown of my head is really bad. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna do it myself, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll jump in the shower, I'll rinse the product off, and then I always use a blonde shampoo. I use Paul Mitchell. This is about $20 or $22. Lasts a super long time, and this will I'll do this just to cool any brassiness that might be in my hair. And then they have a really nice colorant cream, and I use this. I don't use a lot, but I use it frequently even after. It's just a really nice conditioner. My hair is naturally curly, so I can go quite a while. I can get away with letting my hair grow out, and you're not going to really notice it as much. Again, I did straighten it today because I think it'll be easier for me to color my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do this. And, listen, if you can afford to get your hair done and you do, more power to you. I mean, I would much rather go to the professionals who know what they're doing, but I don't want gray hair, and I can't afford, like I said, to go every 8 weeks and get my hair done. So again, this works for me. I'm not saying you should do it. I'm just going to show you what I do and then how it turned out. All right, so I will see you when when my hair is completely done, and then I'll show you how it turned out. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Hey everyone, it is Stephanie and I am back. So I colored my hair. I only did my roots, and I did not pull the color through. Typically my mom will pull it through and I'll keep it another 5, but I don't really think that's necessary because that hair is already colored, and I really don't want to over process my hair. So anyways, I did it myself. It was not that hard, and my grays are gone. The color is really even. I don't know. I think it looks super natural. So let me just bend my head, so you can kind of see. And if I, just kind of do this where I had showed you where all that gray was. I do have some, you know, stubborn whites, that strands of white hair, but they just kind of fall in line, and you can't really tell. But I'm telling you, the gray hair is all gone. It was, for me, under $10. And now the cool thing is, I mean, I love it when my mom does my hair because she can see in areas where I can't. And I really do appreciate that. But at least now I know I can do it myself. And again, I am just sharing something that I do to save money, and I'm not suggesting that you do that. Like I said, if I had the money to go every 6 to 8 weeks and drop $160 to get my hair professionally colored, I most certainly would. But if you're like me, perhaps you're single. Again, I'm a social worker. I have a modest income. I have a home, a car, all kinds of things that I have to take care of on my own. So this is just a way for me to save money, and my hair is healthy. I don't know. For me, it's awesome. $10. I mean, under $10. So yeah, it's something to think about. I mean, you could try it and, you know, see how you like it. But I just wanted to share that little tip with you. I hope you have a fabulous day. This would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. I would surely appreciate that. And tell me down below if you color your hair, and, you know, what's your experience. But remember, if you have maturing hair and a lot of grays, and if it grows quickly like mine, this is just a really lovely way to save money. So again, I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to be kind, and until next time.